Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make these pony cupcakes. So cute. Start by rolling out some blue fondant icing. Then cut out a medium-sized circle and two smaller ones. Next, get a ruler to measure a rectangle. Remove that and use some water to stick on fondant facial features. Lovely! Now let's place the large fondant circle on a work surface and add a big cupcake on top of it, removing the wrapper. Then wrap your fondant face around it, using water to stick the ends together. Pipe on some buttercream icing, all different colours. Then get your small circles and cut them into crescent moon shapes. Stick them on as ears for Rainbow Dash. Don't forget the fondant tail. Let's go for Twilight Sparkle next. Don't forget the horn. And Fluttershy. Who's your favourite character? Finally, Pinkie Pie. Can't have a party without Pinkie Pie. And there you have it. Amazing, colourful, magical pony cupcakes. Enjoy! Let's spruce up some plain old cupcakes by making them into beautiful butterflies and flowers. Start with a butterfly template and some wax paper. Pipe on some melted dark chocolate over the wings, adding orange candy melts in the middle and yellow candy melts. Use a cocktail stick to swish them around a bit. A lovely swirly pattern. Now on a new template, we're piping on some chocolate to make the body and antennae of the butterfly. Then stick on your set wings. Next, get some pink candy melts and use a knife to create petals on some baking paper. Now get some blue candy melts and a paintbrush and paint on some wax paper over a triangle template. Pop that on the inside of a glass to set. Now get a cupcake and pipe on some buttercream frosting. We're going for a nice pink. Pop on your butterfly. Let's do white buttercream frosting on the next cupcake and stick on your petals, adding pearl sprinkles in the middle. Finally, bright pink buttercream icing and your ultra thin blue candy melt petals. A bit of white buttercream frosting in the middle and some pearl sprinkles. And there you have 3 absolutely beautiful cupcakes. Amazing! Why don't you have a go? Enjoy! Today we're making rainbow brownie brittle cupcakes. A delicious and easy dessert ready to brighten your day. With an array of colours and a yummy chocolate brownie in between. Here's what you're going to need. 12 squares of brownie brittles and assorted cake decorations. You also need red and blue food colour, 31M piping nozzles, 150 grams of unsalted butter, 3 piping bags and 300 grams of icing sugar. Let's start. First of all, put the butter and icing sugar in a mixing bowl. Whisk them up. We're adding the icing sugar in 3 parts, whisking in between each addition. Scrape it from the sides of the bowl, and it's ready to split into smaller bowls for different colours. So to start with, we're doing blue. Add a generous helping of blue food colour and give it a good mix. Then snip the end of a piping bag and place in the nozzle. Then scoop in the buttercream. Squeeze it down to the bottom, and that one's ready to go. Let's go to the next colour. This one's going to be red. Adding a generous helping of red food colour so we get a nice bright red. And once that's all mixed in, we repeat the process, same as before. So snip off the end of a piping bag, open it up at the top and pop in the nozzle. Then scoop in your red buttercream. You can always lick the bowl after. Now we're moving to our third and final buttercream. This one is going in plain, no need to add any food colour this time. Great! And our 3 buttercream fillings are ready. So let's get the brownie brittle. Place one on a work surface, pipe on the buttercream, we're starting with blue, and layer it up. We'll do 3 layers. So now we're piping on a little extra buttercream for the topping. Squeezing it all out from the piping bag. There. Let's move on to the plain buttercream. And finally, red. Looking delicious. Now it's time to top them off with some decorations. Let's add sprinkles. Chocolate sprinkles going on the first one. Then orange and yellow star sprinkles. And some rainbow ball sprinkles. And there you have it. Super easy, very yummy rainbow brownie brittle cupcakes. Brilliant for your next special occasion, or even just when you fancy a naughty sweet treat. Why not give it a go? Enjoy! Today we're decorating some cupcakes. To make the decoration you'll need 100 grams of cream, 150 grams of whipped cream and food colour. We'll also need a bit of powdered sugar and milk. To start with, add the whipped cream to a bowl, along with the powdered sugar. Give it a whisk. Then add in a tablespoon or so of milk and 100 grams of cream. Whisk on a high speed until perfectly combined. There! Your icing is almost ready. We just need to add a bit of colour. So let's separate it into 2 bowls. Roughly equal amounts. We're adding blue colour to the first. And for the second bowl of icing, we're going to do pink. There. Let's pop that in a piping bag, squeezing it down to the end. And do the same with the blue icing. Now cool the icing for 5 hours, and meanwhile you're going to need 63 grams of butter, 80 grams of powdered sugar, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of water, 85 grams of flour, 5 grams of baking powder, 63 grams of milk and 5 grams of vanilla. Start by adding the butter to a bowl, along with the powdered sugar, giving it a good whisk. Add in the egg and the water. Then the flour, the baking powder and the salt. Then finally, the milk. Whisk it on a high speed. And your cake mixture is ready, so we're adding that to a piping bag. Just makes it easy to fill the cupcake holders. And there we go, we've placed our cupcake holders in a silicone mould and we're piping in the cake mixture. Give it a few taps and it's ready to bake at 180 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes. Once ready and cooled, we're slicing off the tops, ready to decorate. Let's get piping! Blue going on first. Then pink. We've got lovely decorative nozzles here. Just pile it up all the way to the middle. There. Let's do the other two. Adding some pearl sprinkles on the blue icing. Very wintry. And some colourful rainbow sprinkles on the pink. And there you have it. Super simple, beautifully delicious cupcake decorations. Enjoy! Let's have a burger! Cupcake! Start by mixing half a cup of butter with 1 cup of sugar. Now crack in 2 eggs. Whisk it together. Add 1½ cups of flour, a little at a time, whisking in between each addition. Now pour in half a cup of milk. Spoon that into your cupcake holders. And bake at 175 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Once it's ready and slightly cooled, we can remove the cupcake holders. Slice the cupcake in half and decorate with buttercream icing, starting with brown for the patty, green for the lettuce, using a leaf nozzle. Now for the ketchup. Nice thick dollop of that. And a thinner nozzle for some mustard. And then just lean the top of the cupcake on the side. Brilliant! Hamburger cupcakes. Enjoy!